guys, it's Gracie time. And today we're going to be cutting open one squishy. So let me get scissors. So kids, as you guys know, I got my awesome scissors. As you guys know, if you're gonna cut open a squishy, ask an adult first to cut it open. So let's cut it open. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna take a pinch of it and cut it. Wait. I'm gonna cut this little pinch right off. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this off. Okay, so I'm gonna just cut it. Whoa! What is in here, you guys? Look at this! Whoa, you guys, that was in this tiny balloon. You guys, there's putty, you guys. I will be doing a video of how to fill this putty in another balloon. Since I ripped it, I want to fill it up again. When my mom gets home with the balloons, I will be doing another video. And it will be awesome Gracie time soon. Like today, March 22nd. I will be doing a video today, March 32nd. And if you're watching, subscribe down below, give a big thumbs up. Please give a big thumbs up. Please don't give any mean comments. I may be doing fan mail. Yeah, yes. I will be doing fan mail, you guys. So, yeah. And some people's names are going to be weird because I know some of these names whose name Cheese. So, yeah. So, bye, guys. Splatter. Bye. Ow.